22 versus a cinder block primary. There we go. Three, two, one. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be seeing how many 22 rounds it takes to penetrate a cinder block. I expect it to take several, so let's just get on with it. Well, I fired 4 shots and it looks like it went through, so let's go see. Okay, here's our cinder block. As you can see, the 22 went through. It took 4 shots. It has a little hairline crack along here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, you can see it there. Let's go around and look at the back. Yeah. Ooh. There. So, bigger hole coming out. Still looks cool. So, I really expected that to take more than 4 rounds. So, you know, this is going to be a really short video unless I pull out a different block. So, I'm going to pull out a cinder block paving stone, concrete paving stone. We're going to set it up and we'll see how many 22 rounds it takes to penetrate that. Alright, now I'm going to try it with one of these concrete paving blocks. The cinder block we just shot's on top so you can see how much difference the thickness is. Let's see how many it takes to get through this one. Alright, since our cinder block went really easy, let's try it with the bigger block. Here we go. Safety off. Oh, I'm out. I got hit in the face with a piece of the block that broke off. This is why you wear safety glasses. So let me reload, and that was, I don't know, about 15 rounds. Let's reload and try it again. Okay, we fired 16 shots the first time. I've reloaded. Let's get back to it. All right, so that's another 15. So that's 31, and we're still not through it. So let's reload and keep going. All right, so we fired 31 shots at this. We're about halfway through. I don't know if you can see it. You should be able to. There's a crack along the top. So the block is cracked, and it's being held together by my setup here. But it's still pretty solid. So let's reload. I'm fixing to reload, and we'll keep shooting at this till we get through it. Okay, so we fired 31 shots. We're about halfway through. Let's get back to it and see if we can't get through with this next batch. Failure to extract. All right, not sure what happened there. Had a failure to extract and it was kind of jammed in there. Probably just needs to be cleaned. So let's get back to it. There's still 11 rounds left in here. Nope. We are through. So that's 36 rounds total. Now let's go take a look at our block here. we go. Here's our block. It's still pretty much intact. It's probably going to fall apart when I take it out of here. But, you know, it's got a nice hole, nice neat hole all the way through. After about 10 or 12 shots, I started getting pelted by debris that was being kicked back from the bullets hitting. It didn't really hurt. It was just kind of annoying. But we took 36 rounds to get all the way through it. Let's move to the back here. Take a look at our block from the back. So once it got to a certain point, the concrete just gave way and pushed it on out. So, well, that's it. If you enjoyed this video and like to see more like it, click on the subscribe button. If you have a suggestion for something you'd like to see me do in a future video, put it in the comments below. Take care, everybody.